Now, question of the day. First, I'll read the question. What is the weight of sphere B? Our target. What about sphere of B? Weight. If the block A weight is how much? 100 Newton. This block weight is how much? 100 Newton. The system is at rest. Whole system at rest means whole system in equilibrium and there is no friction. So basically here no friction. Okay. So what about weight of W? Weight of B block. Simply first we have focus on one by one. Okay, first of all make free body diagram of block A. Okay, if you focus on this one, that is 300 Newton, simply 300. Basically all forces resolving along plane. Okay, this plane. Okay, this is capital X axis, this one is capital Y axis I have taken. So 300 and weight work on downward. Clear? How much? 100 Newton. So component of 100 Newton along this direction is how much? 100 cos 37. Clear? Because this angle is 37. And now next component along, and here 100 sin 37. Sin 37 0.6. So that value is 60 Newton. Clear? Okay. Now 300. If you focus on this 300 Newton force, so component of 300 along this direction and this direction. Okay. So basically if you focus on that value, this one is 37. Okay, so what about that angle? Also this one is 90 minus 37. Clear or not? Because of, okay, so what about that angle? 37 degree. The component of 300 Newton along this direction, written 300 cos 37. Cos 37 is 0.8. So what about that value? 240 Newton. Okay, clear? So what? So now net force along aid, you can say that net force by A on B is how much? Simply 240 minus 60, that is 180 Newton. Clear or not? So net force on B block. So if you focus on B block B, okay, look here, that is B block. Okay, A on B is how much? This one basically 180 Newton. Clear or not? So net force A on B. Okay, now B is also equilibrium. So component of weight of B is how much? W. Okay, clear? Weight of W is how much? This is simply W. What about that angle? 37. So component of W along this direction is how much? Simply W sine 37. Clear? Now whole system in equilibrium. So you can say that net force on B block in this direction is how much? 0, because equilibrium. So W sine 37. Sine 37 is 0.6. This will be equal to 180 Newton. So W this will be equal to 1800 divided by 6. Okay, so that is 300 Newton. So W this will be equal to 300 Newton. B is the right answer. Make it. If anyone face any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again.